off to work. I'll see you at 7.
Can you get back any earlier? We need to pack. We're leaving next week.
Don't worry, I've already signed the paperwork. Look, I'll start packing tonight.
Thank God. Aiken will be here on Thursday. Oh, but remember, don't forget.
Sorry, love. I've got to. Hello? Yeah. What's the situation? Alright, yeah, sure. I'll be there. So, what do you think happened here?
Well, we aren't sure. Forensics are on their way. I think we should get all the information we can before they come and collect the body.
Yeah, it looks quite clean. He could have just fell on the rock or something.
I don't think so. The rock could have been thrown to do this much damage.
The question is it a murderer or just an idiot?
The victim's name's Jason. He's got no criminal record and he lives with his mum. Can't find any reason why anyone would want to kill him. Here's his ID.
Cheers. This case is really messing with me. What you said about back there about throwing a stick, do you really think this is murder? Like, a while back, before your time, there was this guy, John. He always wanted to cover up his, crimes, but we never stopped him. He just kind of stopped himself.
I think.
Hi, forensics. Yeah, I need you guys straight back here. Found another body.
Alright, probably now. Okay, sorry, quick.
Hi, how you doing? We found this other body shortly after you left. About a mile away from the other one. And there's a funny thing. The stick it had the same DNA.
Wow, alright, let's go now.
Okay, I've done a background check. And it shows up that he seems to be connected with a gang called the Black Spades.
Alright, so, what do we know about the Black Spades then?
Well, not much actually. The only thing we can find out is somebody called John.
Here's his phone. Here. Put the evidence back. Hello?
Hey, you might want to see this.
I'll call you back.